Hey Airsofters, it is USAirsoft and I'm your host Scott Hollenbeck, and today we're bringing you a game of VIP. VIP is fairly simple. All you have to do is make sure your VIP or one player on your team is not hit at all during the game. If he is, the game is over for your team. Today we have Seisops Milsim as the defending team at Mission Airsoft. Hope you enjoy this gameplay.
It's dropping like a motherfucker. Copy that. Hit!
VIP team, they shut down the CYMA. They are using full auto. Thank you.
Alright. Hey, how we look on the right side?
Are they in Catch's Castle?
Yeah, they moved up. Well, kinda. They're not supposed to cross the red, so.
Alright, they backed off.
I would move, ref.
Come on, stick your head out. Hit. I got him.
Hit! Hitting that guy. I knew I'd hit him.
They think you're still over here, Dot.
Yeah. Well, they don't realize there's two of us.
Here, Dot and Zero Seisops Milsim move into the enemy's territory to take out the rest of the attackers, which I find pretty risky being as Zero is the VIP.
Hit.
I heard hit.
Yeah. Yeah. They're not calling.
We're hit! We're both hit!
Then get out of there.
Is those two the only ones you seen?
Go, get out of there.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get out.
All right, bud.
I'm gonna go to
All
these
right.
tires right here.
Follow me. Let me get you mad.
Alright, go ahead. Watch out.
All right, here we go.
Good?
Here we go. Hold on. Watch out. There's a guy that's hitting me. Here, come on. All right. All right, we got him. Let's go. Let's go. Push.
Go.
Ah, hit.
Luke.
Push back.
Luke, got his on?
Get back, I'm being flanked.
Get down.
Hey, different idea.
What's that?
Don't shoot, but make your way down here. Slowly.
Hey, Doc, back up.
Now all defenders, including the VIP himself, make a break for their only fort. Now that all borders and barriers have been lifted, the attackers can get as close as they want to get the VIP kill.
Push past this road.
Forrest. You're 12 o'clock. No, 1. Move to the 1. Right over there.
Hey,
I see wristbands.
Forrest, left.
Left.
You guys gotta move. Look over that barrel. Where those tires?
Hey, they have no respawns after 5 minutes.
Forrest. One's moving back. 10 hat. Can you see him? There's another one there. He's crouched down. Right there, you see him?
You guys have respawns, they do not.
Scott, keep it on the right. Horse.
That's awesome, man.
Well, that's it for this gameplay, but if you want more, remember to click on one of these videos now, or subscribe today if you haven't already. And remember guys, if you want to show us that you really like this video, treat that like button like it's naughty, and remember to spank it.
Giggity giggity, giggity goo. Stick around.